Hi guys, it's Holly. So I just made slime. And next time I make slime, I'll show you. But I can tell you right now, that means first you put glue in. You can use any kind of glue, but first you have to use white glue. Say hi, mummy. And then you can put. I choose this glue as well. That means stuck my hand. I use this kind of glue. The glue my mum's going to use because my mum built like a princess. It's so sticky. But to make slime, first you need glue. Second, if you want to make foamy one, you get foam. But the main thing is you need activator. If you want to do proper slime like I have. But you have to keep playing wet for it not to be as sticky. And if you leave it overnight in a container, it will be much better. If you went to my toys to buy some games, just ignore. You can go and find me on TikTok if you want. It's Holly.12. And today I've only made 3 videos, but that might change. I'm not going to have a phone today. I use my mum's. Oh, what slime. I'm glad I make slime because I don't know about 8 slime. £8 for a big butter slime. Well, you can make your own slime. We're watching Aladdin. I might, if my dad goes away again, my dad doesn't want to be in YouTube videos. As my dad goes away, we'll watch Aladdin. And we will watch Aladdin. But I wouldn't go on. Because if you've not seen it, it's good to actually quite watch it. If you've got 9TV, that's when you don't, or anything else. Just ignore my mum. She's just done a workout. That means she's going to be sweaty. The best way is to do it is make sure this is the spoon you're using is nuts. Take the excess off and then do this to the slime. Just put it in the container first. I'm not pretty sure to put it in the container. Right, and then just mix it. So as you put more activator on it, makes it less sticky. And this feels so good, so it does.
I think this belongs to me. Good day, ladies.
If you can, you can put. Have to move on, putting this more on this. Anyway, it's yellow. The next time I'll actually video it. And I'll put shaving foam in it, because the reason we don't got any shaving foam because we used it. We used it all just to play with it. Because we were so bored. And I got it all from my chest. Because my brother swiped it all for me. He went like that. I had the top on. There's this app, so there is, that can also tell you how to make slime. And I request putting either like pinkishy this or for colouring. I prefer this. Stay up. And I made kinda light. Mummy, could you put the blind down? as you can see, it's like the sun. Like that's better. Now, kind of looks like white like this, but in the YouTube video, it looks like white. Well, to me, it looks like yellow. So you can see me. Just in case.
Sir, I don't have any money. Let go of me!
Take it easy, come on.
Khalil walks away from the stone. And this one. This one. She saved the bread.
Those children were hungry.
Okay, give me a minute.
You shouldn't know the first part I said.
Take the rat nose out of it.
I mean, like that, but Aladdin.
Got any money?
No.
Okay, trust me. Here you go.
What?
This is what you wanted, right? Okay, and an apple for your troubles.
Nice.
That was my... I'm not leaving without my bracelet.
I mean, this bracelet? Come on.
I'm actually hurt in the movie. That looks so big. Because they could transform me any big.
Are we in trouble?
Then
I'll let you get caught.
they didn't done it because
Monkey knows the way.
we had to do the deleting scenes in it as well.
You'll be fine.
And oh my god, I'm glad I made slime because I love touching it. You bought a £4 bottle off of Amazon. I should have got 2 for £8. Are you all done?
Ahead of the red line, horse wins, ahead of the sword. I steal only what I can afford. And that's everything. Ahead of the law, and that's all.
It's my new bracelet.
These guys don't appreciate how throw.
Yesterday I was going to do it back on the board. And if you want to make slime, comment and I'll show you and I'll make a video. If you want me to make a video of making slime, I'll do it. But I'll have tubs of slime everywhere. And the next one I'm going to do it with what's it called? Shaving foam. Do we have any shaving foam? Mum, do we have any shaving foam? No. I asked that yesterday. And before the day before. Yeah.
You are scared, you know.
Mummy, this is your favourite part. Are you going outside? What are you going to say? Right. I'm going to come back in to play this. I'm going to leave it for a wee bit. And so I'm going to put it in a container and I'm going to put this on it. And I'll be back in. But yours are definitely come with me. Mummy, I'm going to leave it to itself for a wee bit. I'm going to go outside and play. Champion. Oh, really? I have to keep the door open because, and look at my no gate. You have that because my brother could escape that. Oh, 2 minutes. Mom, the gate's broke. I just noticed that there, the gate's broke. It's not my fault. Right, let's put it there and then, oh my god. Bring Bailey in. No, I'm making a YouTube video. 2 minutes. Let me just do my YouTube video. Let me in my YouTube video. Let me in my YouTube video. I did on the trampoline. Go and watch the film.
No, I'm putting my phone back.
Okay, bye bye. What's that? It says